Been tinkering about with them. I'm not sure what videos will follow what, but quality seems to be alright. My only biggest frustration, and the thing that they don't really tell you unless you physically search it, is you can only record in 3-minute videos. So I thought the car would be an ideal way of testing them prior to racing meetings, just because you've got the steering wheel up front, you've got the dash slightly further out, you've got things in the distance, and whether you say luckily or unluckily, it's raining so the wipers are going, and it's a Ford, so if it's just spitting a little bit it just goes crazy. So I thought I'd take the bus for some fuel, see all the sights and sounds, see what they're like. The stereo sounds are pretty impressive. The speakers are alright. It's like wearing a Meta Quest, but you can see through. I know the latest ones you can see through. But these are like real virtual reality? Or is that just real reality? I'm doing road noise. Got the radio, it's only on quiet, so I don't know if I'll get banned for playing music that I haven't paid royalties to. But it's very overcast, it's quite dull. As you can tell, the car with no lights on is... Oh, it does work. You can tell it. You can also tell it to start recording. The only thing that's frustrating is it cuts out, obviously at 3 minutes. So if you're halfway through saying something, it just goes da-dum, and that's it. Game over. You got to start again. Obviously, it's not ideal on the racetrack if you stood next to somebody to start shouting at your glasses. Which is a really weird concept. But even though you've got a light in your right eye, it's not actually as distracting as I thought it would be. You can turn down the brightness, there's loads of settings on the app. And when it first comes, it's on auto, and that was quite a bright light, so it was very off-putting. Hey. Look, he's got a light to say he's got a dash cam, yet I've got a light on here that tells me that I'm the dash cam. But yeah, let's try it with light. So we've got a terrible song on, and just see what the microphone's like. Quite a loud volume, I'd say medium volume. Loud enough I can hear myself, but I don't know if the microphones can pick it up. It is supposed to come with background reduction, so see if it works. But yeah, that is a terrible song, so we'll turn that back down. I want it to be able to race and see my point of view, and it also allows me to be able to look at what I was doing as well as what the car was doing, what other people was doing around me. If I make contact with somebody, I can see if I'd done something wrong, or if the person I'd raced with had done something wrong. Obviously it's not a blame game, it's just trying to improve your driving. So we shall see.